Have you ever wondered what is the difference between living and non-living things? Let's find out what is the difference between living and non-living things and what are living things and non-living things. So let's start. Before starting this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe this to the channel for more videos like this. Starting this topic by reading living things. So what are the living things? Some things have life in them. They are called living things. For example, plants, animals and humans. All of them feels and have life in them. So, whatever have life in them is a living thing. On the other hand, non-living things, some things do not have life in them and they are called non-living things. For example, book, sun and frog. So, are we clear with the basic concept of living and non-living thing? Let me know in the comment section. Things which have life in them is living and things which do not have life in them is a non-living thing. Let's study the basic differences among living and non-living things in detail. Living things are different from non-living things. Let's see how. Living things breathe. Living things breathe. Living things breathe. Living things need food to eat. Living things need food to eat. Living things need water to drink. Living things need water to drink. Living things feel. Living things feel. Living things feel. Living things move on their own. 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 Living things grow. Living things grow. From a baby to girl. From seed to plant. Living things grow. Living things reproduce. Living things reproduce. Egg to chick. Egg to chick. Egg to frog. Egg to frog. Living things grow. Living things grow. Living things reproduce. Let's explore non-living things and study them in detail. There are two types of non-living things. One is natural non-living things and the other one is man-made non-living things. Non-living things are of two kinds. One is natural non-living thing and the other one is man-made non-living thing. Natural things are found in nature like sun, clouds, water and mountains. On the other hand, man-made non-living things are not found in the nature. They are made by men like train, house, clothes and pencils. I hope the concept of living and non-living things are clear now. So let's begin with the short questions. You have to tick the correct object according to the statement. Living things dash in them. A. Light. B. Life. C. Sound. The answer is B. Life. Life. Living things have life in them. Living things have life in them. 2. Which one is a living thing? A. Balloon. B. Baby. C. Book. The answer is B. Baby. Baby is a living thing. B. Baby. Baby is a living thing. 3. Which one is not a living thing? A. Animal. B. Plant. C. Car. The answer is car. The answer is car. The answer is car. 4. Which one is a natural thing? Sun, train, clothes. The answer is sun. The answer is sun. The answer is sun. 5th, a house is a living thing, B. Natural thing, C. Man-made thing. The answer is man-made thing. The answer is Man-made thing. The answer is man-made thing. Let's do some other exercises as well to clear your concepts. Write yes or no for the following. 1. Plants are living thing. Plants are living thing. The answer is yes. The answer is yes. Plant is a living thing. A balloon is a living thing. The answer is no. The answer is no. Balloon is not a living thing. 3. Hens can reproduce. Hens can reproduce. The answer is yes. The answer is yes. Hens can reproduce. Hens can reproduce. 4th, water is a natural thing. Water is a natural thing. The answer is yes. The answer is yes. Water is a natural thing. 5th, clothes are made by men. Clothes are made by men. The answer is yes. The answer is yes. Clothes are made by men. If you like the topic, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe this to the channel for more videos like this.